everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have scheduled a video chat repair for your tufting gun with us, or you are planning to schedule one with us, then you are in the right video. This video is going to be covering all of the tools that you are going to be needing in preparation for your video chat repair with us. Before we dive right into this video, I just wanted to quickly show you guys our model tufting gun. It is available for purchase on our website, rugbabe.com. It has a speed adjustment, and of course, it is interchangeable between cut and loop pile. I just wanted to quickly show it to you guys just in case you are looking to purchase a tufting gun. I wanted to let you guys know that we do have it on our website. Now, there are different models and different versions of this tufting gun, so while I make this video, I am going to make sure to list all of the tools you will potentially need to repair your tufting gun. The first set of tools that you will need is Allen wrenches. You will most likely have received the smaller two in a baggie or a kit when you received your tufting gun. You will need these to remove different parts of the tufting gun. This is what the largest Allen wrench looks like up close, and you will only be using it to remove this screw here at the top of the tufting gun. It fits right into the screw and you just turn left to remove it. This is the second Allen wrench up close, and it's going to be used to remove these screws by turning left as well. This is the third Allen wrench up close, and it is going to be used to unscrew this screw right here. All the Allen wrenches are used to unscrew several other screws, but I'm just showing you a couple. These three Allen wrenches are going to be necessary for all ZQ2 model tufting guns. I'm just going to place them here on the left side. I'm going to separate my tools on two sides. The left side is going to be the tools that you need, and then the right side I'm going to place all these substitute tools. So if you don't have specific tools, I'm going to show you tools that you can use instead and place them on the right side. The next set of tools you will potentially need is pliers, an adjustable crescent wrench, or preferably a crescent wrench in the size 8. The crescent wrench in the size 8 is the only one you are going to be needing, but if you do not have one of these, that's where the pliers and the adjustable crescent wrench come into play. You can just use either of these. We're going to be using this crescent wrench to remove the washers off of the arm. That's the only thing that you need the crescent wrench for. So again, if you don't have one in the size 8, you can use pliers or you can use an adjustable crescent wrench. I placed our size 8 crescent wrench on the left side, and then I'm going to place our substitute tools on the right side, which is going to include our pliers and our adjustable crescent wrench. The next thing we are going to be needing is an electric drill with a flathead bit and a Phillips screw bit. Now, our tufting gun is only going to be needing the flathead bit because all of the screws that don't use the Allen wrenches use the flathead bit. But other models or versions of this tufting gun require the Phillips screw bit. Now, if you don't have an electric drill, you can use a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. I've set my electric drill on the left side of the table because it is more powerful, so it is my preferred tool. And then we're going to set the screwdrivers on the right side of the table as our substitute tools. These are some parts that have screws that would either require the flathead or the Phillips screwdriver. The second to last tool that we will be needing is a flat tool of some kind to separate parts on our tufting gun, such as this piece. I would lodge it between these two pieces and separate them when I'm trying to take my scissors out. But of course, if you don't have a flat crescent wrench like what I'm using, you can absolutely use a butter knife or any kind of tool. I'm just going to put the butter knife on the right side, and then I put the flat crescent wrench on the left side because it's the tool that I use most. The last tool that we are going to be needing is a metric ruler, and we're pretty much only going to be using it to measure the space between the washers on our tufting gun's arms. These are our tools laid out, our tools on the left side being our preferred tools and our tools on the right side being our substitute tools. We have our electric drill with the flat bit and the Phillips screw bit. We have our 3 Allen wrenches here on the left side, as well as our crescent wrench in the size 8, our flat tool, and our metric ruler. The rest, of course, being our pliers and our adjustable crescent wrench as a substitute for our size 8 crescent wrench, our flathead screwdriver and our Phillips screwdriver as a substitute for our electric drill, and our butter knife as a substitute for our flat crescent wrench. Go ahead and take a screenshot if you'd like. Make sure to check out our website, rugbabe.com, where you can find tufting guns, tufting cloth, and a bunch of other materials that you guys might find useful. Make sure to email us to our support email, support@rugbabe.com, with any questions or concerns you guys may have. If you're looking to repair your tufting gun, or if you're just trying to learn how to tuft, we are there to support you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will be back with more. Thanks for watching. Bye.